Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today we are talking about some informational stuff. Today we're going to get very informational. Let me take off my reading glasses because I don't need them. Today we are going to be talking about some of the tips and tricks that I've learned from the last book that I read called Blue Ocean Strategy. If you guys are new to the channel, my name's Tanner Markley. If you guys are old to the channel, I am also still Tanner Markley. So I like to give away tips and tricks that I learned throughout my life, and hopefully you guys can apply it as whether you're a dasher, delivery driver, or whatever you do. Hopefully you can apply these kind of tips and strategies towards your life. So the whole book that I just read is called Blue Ocean Strategy, and it is when I say read, I didn't actually read it. I only actually listened. I only listen to audiobooks. So I just think it's so much more efficient. I get it done in like a few days. Anyway, so today we're talking about the Blue Ocean Strategy and how hopefully you guys can apply this to your life, and hopefully maybe you can make some more money along the way. So the whole book is basically about there's a red ocean and there's a blue ocean. The blue ocean is open grounds where it's untouched land where no one else is, you know? So it's kind of like you have to be innovative. And how do I get into that space where no one else is? The red ocean is a sea of everyone doing the same stuff and competing with each other, trying to tear each other down and get to the top. Doesn't work very well when you're competing against a bunch of other people. In the whole book, I would say it's pretty similar to Think and Grow Rich, as in like the same kind of like layout where they just talk about a bunch of different entrepreneurs or business owners that did certain things, and they just kind of like go over the stories of them. That's just kind of the same strategy or same theme as Blue Ocean Strategy. So basically they talk about like whether it's Cirque du Soleil or Starbucks and how these big companies moved into the blue ocean where no one else was swimming. So what I'm going to do is kind of talk about things that I've done and how I've applied Blue Ocean Strategy on accident and how it's worked out for me. And then hopefully you guys can like look and think about like different ways that you have or different ways you can move into the blue ocean or do something different that everyone else isn't doing. Because when you're doing the same thing as everyone else, you don't stand out. You're not unique. You are just literally, I don't know what the best word for this is, but anyway, so hopefully you guys enjoy these videos that are more informational based, and hopefully I can teach you guys some tips and tricks that I learned. But before we get there, if you guys haven't yet, make sure you smash that par link. It's at the top of my description. If you're a Doordash driver and you want tip transparency and you want to make more money on Doordash and Grubhub and Ubereats, hit that link down below. It's the tip transparency for Doordash, and just download the app. It's great for delivery drivers. Also, if you guys haven't yet, make sure you subscribe, smash the like button, help out my channel a little bit, and also in tomorrow's Daily Dash, I'm going to do not the one that comes out tomorrow, the one that comes out the day after. I'm going to do a Q&A. If you guys have any questions you want to ask me, I'm going to be reading them, and they're going to be on my Instagram DM. So if you guys don't have an Instagram, probably get an Instagram. That's probably my best place for communication. Hit me with your questions in the Instagram DMs. Okay. Also, follow me on Instagram. It's at Tanner Markley. Lots of talking. Okay, so today we're talking about Blue Ocean Strategy. One of the ways that I've gone into the blue ocean, for example, when I first started my first clothing line, it was just a clothing line, a normal clothing line, and I was swimming in a sea of other clothing lines. I didn't realize how easy it is to start a clothing line. It's not COVID, I swear. I didn't realize how easy it was to start a clothing line. I started and I was like, damn, no one's buying these clothes because there's a million clothing lines. And then I was like, okay, well, this clearly isn't going to work. Like, there's no innovation behind it. I was just like basically buying clothes and slapping my logo on it. Then I was like, all right, this isn't going to work. So what did I do? I hopped on the footwear game, which is not a blue ocean. It's definitely not. But there's significantly less people that are willing to take like 20 to 30 grand and invest into a footwear company to get started versus a couple $100 to start a clothing line. And the way I jumped into the blue ocean, I was like, okay, there's no such thing as an acrobatic footwear company. So I'm going to start it. I thought, oh man, this is going to be the biggest blue ocean. And I was like swimming, and I thought I was going to be doing laps and stuff. Realized that the blue ocean was more like a pond. Like, it's definitely still blue ocean. Like, there's no one else in the game. Like, we're the only footwear company that's doing acrobatic stuff. But there's significantly less customers than I thought there would be. Hence why we started moving towards off-axis athletics and, like, marketing to MMA fighters and all that good stuff. Another time that I hopped into the blue ocean was pretty recently. I was sitting there thinking, like, man, how do I make my delivery driving videos different than everyone else's videos? So, for one, up until about 6 months ago, I had no idea that there was other gig tubers or other channels even doing Doordash. I've been doing literally Doordash videos for the last 2 years, thinking I was like the only one. Actually, I did know about Doordash Diaries. I never really watched his channel or anything. He was the only person that I knew about, though, to be absolutely honest. Anyways, so I was like, okay, I'm going to hop on and start making delivery vlogs, and I would just vlog the whole experience. And to my knowledge, I thought I was the only person doing it, and it really started taking off my channel. I was like, oh, this is really working. And then I realized, oh man, there's other people doing this too. Okay, so how do I make my videos different than all these other guys? So what I was like, okay, no one's doing reaction videos, and to my best of my knowledge, I'm pretty sure that I started the reactions trend, but correct me if I'm wrong. If anyone was doing reactions videos before me, maybe I was wrong. But I think, to my best of my knowledge, I started the reactions videos. And I try to, like, add a bit of comedy. If you guys don't know, I have been practicing my stand-up comedy for the last few years. I have this gigantic list of things that I write down when I'm, like, stoned or drunk or something. I think it's funny, and usually I wake up the next morning and I think, wow, that's really stupid, actually. Like, let's pull up, let's get a good laugh. One is, what is one of the most recent things that I wrote down in my comedy skit? Okay, I got a few things that are kind of funny. Coughing is now my best offensive move. Stupid. What else? Walking in on your roommate jerking off to VR porn. Man, I'm gonna probably make a video on all the stupid shit that I write down in my comedy stuff. But anyway, so back on track. So basically what I was talking about is trying to get into the blue ocean. Like, how can you take your business, which we are all independent contractors. I love UDM's channel because he reminds you guys, you're independent contractors. You are not an employee. So you got to think with an independent contractor or business owner mindset. So how do you move from being a normal, whether you're just a delivery driver, into the blue ocean? And the way another one that I was thinking was, like, I went from just being a delivery driver to making delivery driving videos. And in my opinion, I was like, damn, there's a blue ocean out there. I'm not capitalizing on this. So I started just driving around making delivery driving videos. For me, that was like a blue ocean, you know? So how can you guys apply the blue ocean strategy to your delivery driving or business or whatever it is? Because you have to sit there and think to yourself, like, what am I doing to where I'm unique? And if you guys can't think of anything that makes you unique, then you should probably work on something, because it's going to be so much easier. And once you can get into that blue ocean, I just burped because I'm drinking a root beer. Once you can get into that blue ocean, you can really make some gains. Yeah, you can really make some financial gains or any kind of gains, you know, once you get into that blue ocean. So hopefully you guys take some information from this video and you can apply it to yourself, and let me know in the comments down below. Do you guys like these kind of videos where I just basically reiterate the books that I read, or do you guys want me to keep on the para drama? I'm pretty sure I saw enough comments where, like, enough of the para stuff. Sorry, it's getting a lot of clicks though. Anyway, so if you guys have learned anything from my channel, comment it down below. And again, if you guys want to ask me any questions for the Q&A on tomorrow's Daily Dash, hit them on the Instagram DM. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, so please give me that smash the thumbs up for me real quick, and we'll see you guys in the next one. If you guys haven't yet, make sure you check out my footwear company at offaxisathletics.com. I'm going to do a week-long discount code that's gonna really bring down the cost, and it's gonna bring them down to about $40. And that code is TannersYoutube. So if you've heard me say a million times that you should go check out my footwear company, you should check it out now. And for the next week until July We'll do it for 7 days. So July 13th. July 13th, you can get shoes for $40. So use the discount code TannersYoutube. So that's just up until July 13th, 2021. That code will work. Anyways, hopefully you guys get a pair of shoes, maybe red if you want to match your dashing apparel or something like that. Get yourself some awesome shoes. They're great for your feet. Helps you really build that range of motion in your foot. A lot of people have arch problems because they're wearing flat feet or flat shoes all day. Not exactly ideal for your foot. So if you guys get some awesome barefoot shoes that my company makes, we call them the Ninjas. I love them. I wear them every single day. Let me find them for you real quick. All right, these are the Ninjas. Bam! Super great for your feet. We wear them when we do all kinds of crazy stuff. I wear them when I'm doing like cliff diving. I wear them when I'm doing the skate park act in the show. Tramp wall, walking around every day, training MMA. You can use them for everything. You can just, if you just want to wear them for dashing, they're great dashing shoes, I bet. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you guys haven't yet, check out Off Axis Athletics. Off Axis, OFFAXIS, athletics.com. Use the discount code TannersYoutube. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.